So this is the filter that came off the S10. You can see where they wrote on it, and that number 5 was hurt. That's that K&N life, man. Ain't no knockoff ass frame. I see a little bit of dirt in there. You want to see the bottom of that cup? There's definitely some
brass down in there.
Yeah, there's definitely some color in there. I don't know if you'll be able to see this.
Dudes on Gold Rush be all about that.
We moved to Alaska with that kind of stuff. You'll see the bottom of that can. There's some other in there. You can see down in the filters, there's chunks. So that motor may have had a little bit of damage down low, even though it had good oil pressure. And it may be a little worse than what we thought it was.